Amines. Amines are organic derivatives of ammonia with one or more hydrogen atoms replaced by an alkyl group. Amines can be classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary depending on how many alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom. Here we have ammonia, which is NH3, and we have a primary amine, a secondary amine, and a tertiary amine. A primary amine has one hydrogen atom replaced by an alkyl group, which is this R here. A secondary amine has two hydrogen atoms replaced by an alkyl group here and here. And this tertiary amine has all three hydrogen atoms replaced by an alkyl group. So let's classify these amines here as primary, secondary, or tertiary. Here's the first example. We have two hydrogen atoms and one alkyl group. It's a primary amine. Here we have one hydrogen atom and two alkyl groups. That's a secondary amine. And here we have no hydrogen atoms and three alkyl groups, so that's a tertiary amine. Nomenclature of amines. Locate the longest carbon chain that contains the NH2 group. The E in the longest alkane chain is changed to amine. The chain is numbered to locate the amine group and substituents. For secondary and tertiary amines, each alkyl group bonded to the nitrogen atom is named as N-alkyl group. So let's try an example. This is a primary amine because we have two hydrogen atoms and one alkyl group. So let's locate the longest carbon chain. It's 1, 2, 3 carbons, so it's going to be propane. And then we change the E to the amine. So this is going to be propanamine. Here's our next example. It's a secondary amine. And the longest carbon chain is 2 carbon atoms, which is ethane. And we change that to amine. So it's ethanamine. And we also have this CH3, which is a methyl group. So we call that N-methyl. So the full name is N-methyl ethanamine. And our last example, a tertiary amine. The longest carbon chain is either one of these. It's going to be methanamine. And then we have to name the other two using the N. So it's going to be N-N-dimethyl-methanamine. And here are the names: propanamine, N-methyl ethanamine, and N-N-dimethyl-methanamine.